So sabi mo, focus.
Diba?
Over receive. Chance for Ateneo. Valdez. Coverage by Morado. Balik kay Baldo. Lumusot sa blockers. Fajardo keeps it up. D.
Playable. And Valdez going for a push.
Morado decides to go to Hekiliana. What a dive by Denicilio. Galang, cross court. Valdez was there. Valdez asks for it. Valdez is blocked. Oh, playable.
Still alive.
What a reaction by Giselle Tan. Longest rally of the game.
Oh,
And it's not over.
true.
Galang. Hekiliana. Bakatili.
What a save.
It's still live.
Oh,
Napagod.